Are you getting enough protein? Protein is an essential nutrient to keep your body functioning well. Proteins are part of every cell in your body and are needed to build and repair muscle, tissue, skin, nails, and hair. As one of the major nutrients, protein plays several important roles, including helping you lose weight and preserve muscle. Protein is found in a wide range of food, and it's important that you get enough protein in your diet every day. How much protein do you need from your diet? It varies, depending on your weight, gender, age, and health. In this video, I'm going to show you 18 amazing high-protein foods you should eat to be healthier. Do you want to know which are the 18 amazing high-protein foods you should eat to be healthier? Before we get into it, why not subscribe to Nutrition Facts, and click the notification bell. Help support the channel by watching this video until the end. Great, then let's get started. 1. Eggs. Whole eggs are among the healthiest and most nutritious foods available. They're an excellent source of vitamins, minerals, healthy fats, eye-protecting antioxidants, and brain nutrients that you need. Whole eggs are high in protein, but egg whites are almost pure protein. Egg and foods containing eggs are not suitable for people with an egg allergy. Protein content: 33% of calories in a whole egg. One large egg has 6 grams of protein and 78 calories. 2. Almonds. Almonds are a popular type of tree nut. They are rich in essential nutrients, including fiber, vitamin E, manganese, and magnesium. Almonds are not suitable for people who have a nut allergy. Protein content: 15% of calories. 6 grams and 164 calories per ounce. 3. Chicken breast. Chicken breast is one of the most popular protein-rich foods. If you eat it without the skin, most of its calories come from protein. Chicken breast is also very easy to cook and versatile. It can taste delicious in a wide range of dishes. Protein content: 75% of calories. One roasted chicken breast without skin contains 53 grams and only 284 calories. 4. Milk. Milk contains a little of nearly every nutrient that your body needs. It's a good source of high-quality protein, and it's high in calcium, phosphorus, and riboflavin, vitamin B2. If you are concerned about your fat intake, low or zero-fat milk is an option. For those with lactose intolerance, consuming milk can lead to gastrointestinal symptoms. People with a milk allergy can likewise experience severe symptoms, so dairy milk is not a suitable option for them either. For those who wish to drink milk but either cannot tolerate it or follow a purely plant-based diet, alternatives include soy milk. Protein content: 21% of calories. 1 cup of whole milk contains 8 grams of protein and 149 calories. 1 cup of soy milk contains 6.3 grams of protein and 105 calories. 5. Cottage cheese. Cottage cheese is a type of cheese that is low in fat and calories. It's rich in calcium, phosphorus, selenium, vitamin B12, riboflavin, and various other nutrients. Protein content: 69% of calories. 1 cup, 226 grams, of low-fat cottage cheese with 1% fat contains 28 grams of protein and 163 calories. 6. Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt, also called strained yogurt, is a very thick type of yogurt. It pairs well with sweet and savory dishes. It has a creamy texture and is high in many nutrients. Protein content: 69% of calories. 1 6-ounce, 170-gram, container has 17 grams of protein and only 100 calories. When buying Greek yogurt, opt for one without added sugar. Full-fat Greek yogurt is also high in protein but contains more calories. 7. Oats. Oats offer about 17 grams of protein per 100 grams. They are also a source of complex carbohydrates. Raw oats are easy to prepare as oatmeal, and people can flavor them with a variety of healthful foods, such as fruits and nuts. People should avoid prepared oatmeals as they often contain added sugar. 8. Soybean. Soybeans are low in saturated fat and high in vitamin C, protein, and folate. They are an excellent source of calcium, fiber, iron, magnesium, phosphorus, and potassium. One bowl of cooked soybean will provide you with 28 grams of protein. 9. Tuna. Tuna is a popular type of fish. You can eat it hot in a range of baked dishes, or cold in salads. It's low in fat and calories but a rich source of protein. Like other fish, tuna is a good source of various nutrients, and contains omega-3 fats. Protein content: 84% of calories in tuna canned in water. 1 can, 142 grams, contains 27 grams of protein, and only 128 calories. Are you enjoying the video? Hit the like button, and share it with your friends. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, for more videos like this. Now, let's get back to our video, to continue with the 18 amazing high-protein foods you should eat to be healthier. 10. Broccoli. Broccoli is a healthy vegetable that provides vitamin C, vitamin K, fiber, and potassium. It also provides bioactive nutrients that may help protect against cancer. Calorie for calorie, it's high in protein compared with most vegetables. Protein content: 33% of calories. 1 cup, 96 grams, of chopped broccoli has 3 grams of protein and only 31 calories. 11. Pumpkin seeds. Seeds cannot be left out of the list of protein-rich food. Pumpkin seeds are known for their magnesium content, but they are also protein-dense. 30 grams of pumpkin seeds will give you 9 grams of protein. 12. Black beans. You can always use more protein options that don't require any cooking, and black beans fit the bill. Keep a few cans in your cupboard, so you can drain and rinse, when you're ready to add them to tacos, nachos, and soup. Each half-cup serving has 7 grams of protein, about 100 calories, and 2 milligrams of iron, making them a good option for vegetarians and vegans. 13. Lentils. Lentils are a type of legume. They are high in fiber, magnesium, potassium, iron, folate, copper, manganese, and various other nutrients. Lentils are among the world's best sources of plant-based protein, and they're an excellent choice for vegetarians and vegans. Protein content: 31% of calories. 1 cup, 198 grams, of boiled lentils, contains 18 grams and 230 calories. 14. Quinoa. Quinoa seeds are gluten-free, and contain all the 9 essential amino acids. They are also low in fat content and are an excellent food for weight loss. 1 cup of cooked quinoa seeds contains about 8 grams of protein. 15. Salmon. Salmon is considered a fatty fish, meaning it is full of omega-3 fatty acids. Salmon is also an excellent source of protein, and can help a person feel more satisfied at meals. Salmon may not be as budget-friendly as some other protein options. 16. Turkey breast. Turkey breast is similar to chicken breast in many ways. It consists mostly of protein, with very little fat and calories. It also tastes delicious and is high in various vitamins and minerals. Protein content: 82% of calories. 1 3-ounce, 85 gram, serving contains 26 grams and 125 calories. 17. Tofu. Tofu is one of the cheapest and most malleable protein ingredients. This soy-based protein takes on the flavor of any marinade, comes in a variety of textures, and can't be over or undercooked. A 3-ounce serving has 9 grams of protein and 90 calories, along with fiber, iron, and calcium if it's fortified. 18. Peanuts. Peanuts are high in protein, fiber, and magnesium. Studies show that they can help you lose weight. Peanut butter is also high in protein, but it can likewise be high in calories. Therefore, you should eat it in moderation. Peanuts are not suitable for people with a nut allergy. Protein content: 18% of calories. 1 ounce, 28 grams, contains 7 grams and 161 calories. Knowing which foods are highest in protein can help you meet your protein needs. But don't be concerned if you either don't like or prefer to avoid some of the foods on the list. As you can see, there are many high protein options. Choose the kinds you like, be sure to eat one or more protein serving at every meal, and try to mix it up a bit for variety.